Good afternoon, everybody. Joe here, and happy Tuesday. So I talk about minimalism and my health, and I just try to be raw and real and honest. So I made my last video was about 2 weeks ago now, because health has been flaring up, but I'm here. I thought we could. So recently, this month, I got a microwave, and it's been about 22 months of living in a space without one. And I really wanted to be I want to be a person who didn't need a microwave. Just because I like the idea of cooking without it. And due to things that have been happening recently and starting to have people over on occasion, which I'm really happy about, I realized that at this phase in my life, a microwave is a necessary thing. So I got a really small one. If you want to see it, I made a post about it on my Instagram. So go check out minimalzebra on Instagram. And I'm not sure if the microwave will, how long in my life I'll need a microwave for, if it's going to be a continuous thing, or if one day I won't need a microwave again. But it's one of those things because I normally try to make myself enough food for that one meal, and then I wouldn't have leftovers, and I would just cook each meal. Well, excuse me, when my health is flaring up, and I end up making a big batch of something and having leftovers, and in my current space, reheating, it just takes too long and it's too difficult. So the microwave has become a necessity just to make life easier for me at this time. I have also been decluttering. I still have my declutter pile in my apartment of stuff I'm decluttering this month. And but I've also accumulated a couple things. So, like, there's a picture of me as a kid that I'd given to my mom, that in frame, that my mom has since given back to me since she doesn't have the space for it. And then I have another picture that my friend sent me, and then I have a little doggy memorial from my sister's dog who passed away recently. So it's just a couple things, mementos that I plan on keeping. I also needed to use my side table that's between my two chairs to put the microwave on, because with my space, that's what works. Excuse me. For my setup. So I will be probably looking for a different side table for between the two chairs. We'll see. It depends on how often I have people over this fall. Because when it's just me, I don't really need the side table between the two chairs. It's more of having a place for company to set things when they come over. So we shall see how that goes. Also, my kitchen cabinets, I was using 2 shelves as food pantry and 1 shelf as the empty glass jars for stuff that's as pantry jars that I wasn't using. And now that I've been having people over more, I realized I need 3 pantry shelves for food instead of 2. So I've recently rearranged my cabinets to make that work. So if you would like to see that, please let me know. You can comment down below, or Instagram me, or email me. So just know that as life and needs change, what minimalism looks like for you, it's gonna change. And it is the journey, and it's great. Yeah, so I think this will be the end of the video. So please like, comment, subscribe. You can always email me. You can Instagram me. I still haven't figured out how to link them, but I will have them in the description box below. So at least you can be able to type them in to your email or to Instagram and find me and message me. So I love you all. Hope you have a great Tuesday. And I'll see you next time. Bye.